Hi everyone, I've put this little collection together. It's called the Roller Set Collection. You know, so often when you're setting hair, you can get amazing different results. And so many young hairdressers today seems to think that setting hair is irrelevant. Well, it's not. If you love dressing long hair, you really need to understand how to set hair. Now, I've used in the hair, I've got a red roller, a blue roller, and I've got a white roller. The white being the smallest, so wherever I use the white, I want extra strength. Where I use the blue, I just kind of want that little bit extra support in the middle of the hair. And wherever I've used the red, I kind of want to smooth the hair out more. So you can use the equivalent normal rollers, Velcro rollers, in your wet setting if you wanted to. Now, I call this collection my Power Collection. So this is a collection of set hairstyles that I think you might enjoy. Let's have a little look. For my third set, I'm going to bring all the hair over. So I'm going to start over on the left-hand side. First of all, my blue roller, because I want a little bit more support right there. Then I'm going to go into my reds because I want it to smooth out. And now I'm going to come into my blues and I'm going to start to roll those going across. So they're going right across to the other side. There we go, you can see now, I'm just keep on going. I'm just going to roll the rollers all the way over from the left-hand side over to the right. And I go right across the middle of the head. Now, as I get over to the opposite side, I am going to roll this up. So there we go, there are all our blues coming across. Now the right-hand side, I'm going to roll these going up. And because I'm rolling them going up on quite long hair, I'm going to go for a firmer roller. I'm going to go for my white roller. So let's have a look at the set. Here it is. There are my whites going up on the right-hand side, my blues and reds going across at the front, and then at the very side area, my blues come across and go all the way over to the opposite side. And at the very back, you can see there now, I've got a little bit of drag on the rollers, which means they're not on base, and they're going to go all the way across to the opposite side like this. So this set, my third set, this is very much a sort of a brush over. So it's going to be sort of quite a dramatic look to this hair set. Again, where you put the rollers really has a big impact on how the hairstyle is going to progress. Okay, let's get the rollers out and start back combing the hair, and let's have a little bit of fun with this style.